What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Right here we have a mosquito zapper, bug zapper. This product is a 15 watt 4200 volts of power. Let's go ahead and open this thing. All right, and here we go. We have instructions, as we should, user manual, and of course we have the product. Once again, this is a indoor slash outdoors. All right, you guys, so we have the top loop right here, so you can basically hook it up to whatever hanger you got outside. Right here is on and off. Don't know if y'all can see it, but it says on right here, and then it says off. Basically, on and off switch is right here. Clean it if you have to. They give you a brush. The bottom comes off by twisting left, and you pull the bottom off. The dead bugs should be right here on the bottom. So all you have to do is just drop the bugs down your trash or outside in the yard or wherever you at. And you can just rinse this with water. Twist it back on. And that's it. So this is not solar. This is not battery powered. This is electrical. Right here, we got about, it looks about maybe 3 foot of wire. That is it. It is not too much to that. We are going to put it outside and test this bad boy out. Okay, you guys, so for the best results for your zapper, you will need to place this 3 foot above your floor. If you want to attract bugs and mosquitoes, you should turn off the lights, close your doors and windows, and make this the center of attention. Also, they said make sure you clean this every week, and if you rinse off the bottom part down here, make sure it's dry before you use this thing again. And lastly, the light source is 15 watts for the light source, and the input voltage is 100 to 127 volts. So this can go in your regular outlet, and you should be good if you at 115 volt of outlet power. Okay, that's blah 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 stuff. Let's go ahead, hang this thing up and see what it looks like. Okay, you guys, so I am about to put the bug zapper outside, and remember, this is electrical, so you will need to get yourself an extension cord, or if you already have an extension cord, make sure it's the length that you want it to be, so you can put it, the bug zapper, exactly where you want it. All right, let's go outside. All right, you guys, I got my extension cord. I am going to hook up this bug zapper. Now, they say for best results, you want to leave all your lights off. I'm gonna take the solar lights down because they're really not working that well anymore. Got them from Sam's Club. And yeah, that's the story on that. Oh, wow. Something got zapped already. So I'm going to leave the GoPro out here for the night. This camera, wow, something got zapped again. This camera is about to die. So yeah, I'm going to leave the GoPro on and we'll finalize this review in the morning. This product is amazing. That's the first thing I want to say. When I first came outside during the day, the bug zapper had so many bugs on it. Now, I took the bottom off, and it was so many bugs on the inside of the plate or tray, whatever you want to call it. I also put this on the inside of my house, and it was zapping the flies like crazy. Remember, this is indoors and outdoors. All you have to do is take the brush that comes with the bug zapper and put it on the inside of the gate and brush all the moths ladybugs, whatever. Just brush them off and you should be good. And that's about it. This thing is very powerful and I do recommend it. I didn't have no problems with it. And I'm pretty sure that you will like this product. And that's about it. Pretty cool. I have another one coming soon. Like, comment, and please subscribe.